Hello friends, in this video we will solve a problem related to the dice, okay, in the probability section, okay. So the question is like this: what is the probability of getting sum is equal to 9, sum 9 from two throws of a, okay, two throws of a dice, okay, two throws of a dice, okay. So the probability of getting 9, the sum is 9 from two throws of a die. So whenever we are throwing a two dice, okay, so this is the first one and this is the second one. So what are the sample space is, how many elements the sample space is going to be contained? Because we are throwing dice two times, so in the first case there is a possibility of getting 6 outcomes. So in the second case there is a possibility of getting, on the second dice, okay, there is a possibility of getting 6 outcomes. So the total number of outcomes is going to be 6 into 6, 36, okay, 6 into 6, 6. So in the permutations and combinations I told, so whenever we are performing two operations, okay, simultaneously, okay, one after another, so the both operations can be done in the form of m into n. If the first operation can be done in m ways and second operation can be done in the n ways, then the both operation can be done together in m into n ways. Okay, m into n ways. In the same manner, so when we are throwing a first dice, we have 6 outcomes, 6 possible outcomes. Whenever we are throwing second dice, I mean that is also contains 6 outcomes. So the total number of outcomes it throws of a die, two throws of a dice, so that is going to be 36. Okay, so how we get 36? Suppose on the first time we have 1 and the second time also we have 1, and the first time we have 1 and the second time we have 2. So 1 3 and 1 4 and 1 5 1 6. So we can repeat the same thing for the on the first throw, I mean on the first die throw we may get 2 and the second throw 1 to 6. So that is going to be 6 into 6. Okay, 6 into 6. So two throws of a dice is going to be 36 sample. I mean the number of elements in the sample space. So that is n of s is going to be 36. Okay, we have to find the sum going to be, sum is 9. Okay, the two throws of dice. So when the sum is going to be 9, when we have first throw 3 and the second throw is 6. Otherwise, the first throw contains 4 and the second throw of the dice contains 5. Otherwise, first throw contains 6 and the second throw contains 3. So otherwise, first throw contains 5 and second throw contains 4. So in all these cases, the sum is going to be 9. The sum is going to be 9. So this is our n of e. So n of e is 4. But n of s is 36. The probability of e, the probability of e is going to be n of e by n of s is equivalent to, that is 4 by 36. So that is going to be 1 by 9. Okay, so that is going to be 1 by 9. For example, you want to find the sum of 10 from two throws of a die. Okay, so then you have to calculate when we will get 10. So that is the possibility of what? 4 and 6. Okay, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, and then 6 comma 4. So that means there are the three favorable cases to occur. Sum of 10 from the two throws of the die. So 3 by, the sample space is going to be 36. So that is going to be 1 by 30. So the probability of sum is 10 from two throws of the dice is 1 by 30. Okay, so how to remember this one? So we have a pyramid concept to remember the sum of 2 and sum of 3, the favorable number of elements. I mean the number of the cardinality of favorable events for the sum is 2, 3. So to remember that one, we have a pyramid. Okay, so this is a pyramid. So here take 2. 1 is not possible because the sum of 2, whenever we are throwing a dice, the sum of sum 2 is not possible. Sorry, sum 1 is not possible. But 2 is possible. Okay, the minimum is 2 is possible and maximum 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 11 and 12. So this is going to be 1 and 2. This is 3 and this is 4. This is 5. and this is 6. Okay, and again this one is 5, this is 4 and 3, here 4, no, reverse, 5 4 3, and this is 2, and this is going to be 1. So here the probability of getting sum 9, so sum 9 is going to be 4. Okay, 9. So the number of, you know, elements in the sample event, the number of elements in the event, the sum 9 is going to be 4. So that is 4 by 36. So for 10, 10 it is going to be 3. So here also we got 3. So for 10, the sum 10 will come how many times? Matlab 3 times. So that is 3 by 36. So the occurring of 12. So the occurring of going to be 12 is 1 time. So when we are getting 6, 6 and both the dice, so then only we will get, so that is 1. So that is going to be, so 1 by 36. So the occurring of, yeah. So this is the way to remember. So the sum of 2 will come only 1 time. So when we are getting 1, 1 on the both sides, 3 will get 2 times. That is 1, 2, 2, 1. So 2 times. 4 will get 3 times. That is 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. So 3 times. 4 will come 3 times. 5 will come 4 times. Okay. 1, 4. Okay. 4, 1. Okay. 2, 3 and 3, 2. Okay. 3, 2. So 5 will come 4 times. Okay. So in the same manner 6 will come 5 times, and 7 will come 6 times, 8 will come 5 times, 9 4, and 10 3, 11 2, 12 1. So using this pyramid concept, usually you can remember the sum of, you know, the sum of uh, the sum of actually the numbers on the two dice whenever we are throwing. So okay, so 2 will come 1 time, 3 will come 2 times, and 4 will come 3 times. So using this pyramid, and you can easily calculate the sum of the numbers on the two dice. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.